I'm trying doing everything in the timely, right? I always follow your workshop video, and I try to answer the questions, and little bit I just didn't answer, but I will do it. And also I'm doing Postman, like a Swagger, as a manual testing, but I didn't do right now, which was the like last week workshop, which you show us. I didn't do this right now. And also GitLab, I didn't do this one. And which do we, today you doing this, I really appreciate it. I want this one. Because if you do it, then we really feel pressure, and we need this one.
Thank you. Okay, good.
And also, I just last week my mom's sick, and I feel I just behind, and which is I tell everyone, because we are working, we are all working. Lots of people we are working, right? So what I doing? I just cut my some work like a one day, like a Friday I didn't go in the work, and I'm trying to which is I behind. I'm trying to make up this one. So I think everyone should do this. And yes, for you, sir, you doing lots of things for us. I really, really appreciate it, because how you teach us is really unbelievable things. Because I'm go lots of before here I come, I talked to before like a lots of institute, they didn't do this. They didn't do this, and which we are here. This is really for our like a one kind of is a treasure. We find you. This is things.
Thank you. So do you want me to give you a couple of the feedback?
Yes, absolutely, sir.
Okay. So I think you came from nowhere to somewhere, and
Yes.
I think that as for the timing and the commitment wise, you are giving your effort. That is great. I
thank you.
Admire that. Yes, your mother was sick, but you communicated as you the way it should be, and you actually got back. You said you will go, then things worked out. She improved, which is great. I think you guys are doing as a teamwork, which is also
yes,
good.
sir. Sorry, I have to tell this one. I'm just sorry. Yeah, my team member all are very, very good. Everyone is very helpful. Everyone. Jobia, Aisha, then Samira, and also Jannat, and also Amrita. These guys are really awesome. I really, really happy to I get my team.
Good.
We are
good.
like a family right now.
That's amazing. So keep this teamwork very strong. Everybody,
yes, sir.
Not part of a team, become a part of a team is important. As long as you guys keep things professional and do
and I have on things like I'm behind. I mean, our team, we are behind like a show and tell. We give the show and tell more and more.
Yes.
I really feel pressure. I really feel pressure right now, because we are doing nothing, but we have to. Yes. And I'm just for my all team member, I ensure you next time we will do it like a which is subject, I mean workshop we finish, we just doing this one. We'll really doing this.
Yep, I think the show and tell is the important. I agree.
Very important things, yes, sir.
That's the only part I wanted to give the feedback. So you guys are already reviewing with us. That's good. You guys are doing the good amount of the review process, which is good. And thus we know that you are working. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, let's stop.